Yo, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today got here a model kit from After War Gundam X, and this is your 1996 high grade release, or this is the 1/100 scale high grade from Bandai, and this is your Gundam Leopard Destroy, or the Gundam Leopard V. So this is a very rare kit nowadays, especially the green one of this, the Gundam Leopard from the season 1. And this is the, I think this is the season 2 for that anime or Gundam series. Although that Gundam series is really underrated, and they cut the episodes until episode 39 since nobody's watching that, as I can recall. Too bad for Gundam X, but for me this is the best, one of the best series, the Gundam X After War. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this high grade Gundam Leopard P has to offer us collectors. By the way, this is not yet not yet opened because it's still sealed from the shop where I bought it, which is your Clashmate. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Gundam Leopard D has to offer us collector. Fangen wir an, los geht's. So now I'm about to open this kit here. So I'll remove it from the wrapper. There we go. Yeah. Okay, so we got here the Gundam Leopard D, or the Gundam Leopard Destroy, and this is issued from 1996, so I was still in grade school, or I think, yes, I'm a grade schooler on this time. And this is still the red Bandai logo, which is very nice. This is a rare kit nowadays. So you got here HG, and I really like the specs. The older boxes and printout from those boxes in that era, we got those fictional specs there. So it's very nice. I really like this kind of detailing before compared with the newer releases. So there we got this armaments here, Hornet missiles like that, something like that. Okay, and there we got the very cool box art here. Very 90s box art of the Gundam Leopard Destroy. I just wish I can get also the green one of this soon. Okay, so the side of the box here, we can see the front view and the all weapon mode here. So he launches all his weapon, and there it can be attached to the G Falcon, which is sold separately also. I can say that it's available with the Gundam X XX with the G Falcon included. So might as well, if you want to buy that Gundam X with the G Falcon, you can use the G Falcon and attaching to your Gundam X or XX, or the Air Master Burst, and here with the Leopard. So there we got the sequencing here. So this is the 9th in this series. Okay, so 1/100 scale high grade there. Other side of the box, we can see the front view, rear view, and there we got the 7th here, the XX with the G Falcon, and my other kit here, I got this already, the Air Master Burst from Mandarake, Japan. Okay, so if we open the box here, we can see all the packages. So these are all ancient. I want to sniff this later. Okay. To smell the 90s vibe. Okay, there we go. First pack. The second pack here. The third pack. So these are all midnight blue or dark blue color. Then we got poly caps, and we got this maroon colored pieces here. Okay, and we got all the gray parts here for the guns. Okay, there we go. Get all the guns here, and the armaments. So we got all the armaments here. Excuse me. And the instruction manual. So there we go. We got the ancient instruction manual here. Gundam Leopard D from After War Gundam X, and I really, again, this is what I really like here, the fictional specs. So we got this type suit, mobile suit containing heavy firearms like that. So this is 16.8 meters titanium. So these are all the weapon here. So just consider your Gundam heavy arms from the After War Gundam X series, so equivalent to Gundam heavy arms. So if we open the manual here, we can see all the clips from the anime. There, I already watched this thing, and unfortunately cannot read those things because these are all in Japanese. And you can see Rolby Roy here. So Rolby Roy, one of my favorite character there. He looks badass, and he has some resemblance with Lacon Stratus, like that. Okay, so the parts list here, you can see it's not that much. Of course, this is just a big high grade 1/100 kit. So there it uses polycaps, and I got thankfully I got all those polycaps. I got all spares for that. Okay. So the assembling process for this kit is not that hard. I already built the high grade stuff from the 90s, and these are all easy thing to build, easy kit to build there. So I might finish this within an hour or 2 hours maximum, depending on the stickers, depending on the sticker placement. Okay, I might use some stickers for this. Okay, and there we go. The blades, we got clear piece for that, but this one we got sticker for that. I might paint this thing here. I might paint it with green, and also the chest part I might paint that. Okay, so let's go with the packs. Since this is already a 90s kit, I want to sniff the smell, the scent of the 90s kit. Okay. Wow, it brings back memories of the 90s childhood. Very nice. After War Gundam X 90s series. As always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So let's start it with this dark blue colored runners here. We got runner E1 here for the Gatling guns, and for the feet, so there it says here 1/100. So this is also used by the Gundam Leopard, the green one. So some of the parts here are being used by that Gundam, except for this one, I think. And again, you can see here 1996 Bandai, made in Japan. So this is a 1996 model. So we got here maroon colored runners. Again, the mold being used here is the same with the Gundam Leopard, the green one. We can see here Leopard and the Leopard Destroy. So this is runner C. Okay. Then we got here gray parts for the armaments. So much armaments here. And this is your runner F1. So these are all gray in color. Okay. Then we got here maroon colored runners again. So it's a bit pale, and this is what I'm telling in my other reviews, that you can see or you can notice some mold marks. So there, since this is a 9096 kit, you can easily see mold marks there. And this is your runner H, maroon colored. And there we got gray runners. So runner G is the for inner frame parts, runner G. And we got this spray painted or coated pieces here. And this is your runner E2. But I think this one you will not use this because this is for the Leopard. This is for the Leopard green one. Okay. And there we got the multicolored runner. And this is your runner D. This we got here white parts, maroon parts, and clear colored clear green parts here for the saber, the knife, and the eyes. And I think this one we will not be using this because this is for the Gundam Leopard. Yep. And we got this runner F2 for the side guns. And we got polycaps. We got this separated polycap here and this generic polycap for high grade parts. So I got this polycaps, by the way. I got spare. I might use a spare instead of this one. Okay. And before we end, let's not forget we got here stickers. So we got so many stickers here, which I might use also. I might as well use, except for the saber, this green here, because I might paint that one. Okay. So that's all. Thank you for watching this unbox review of the Gundam Leopard Destroy, and see you next time on the finished build. Good night, God bless, take care, happy 90s feels, guys. High grade 100 Bandai. Red Bandai logo. 1996. Panahonan natin to eh. Ang bango. Brings back memories, 90s feels. Yeah!